Aloha everyone, this is Hawaii's Pickle Lady. Today I'm going to show you how to make garlic bread. And a lot of people ask, how do you make it from scratch? It's so simple. So what I have here is some garlic. We always chop up garlic so that it's ready to go because I go through a lot of garlic. And I have here about 1/4 cup of butter. And I'm going to soften it just a little bit, not melt it, because I want to be able to spread it on the bread. Just a few seconds in the microwave. I just put it in the microwave for 7 seconds. You don't want it any longer, otherwise it'll be melted. And I like to spread it. So I take my garlic, and I'm very generous with it. I think probably about 1 to 2 tablespoons. Okay? And now you just mash it all up and mix it together. And that's it. Now I'm spreading it on both sides of the bread. And I just use the back of the spoon, it's easier. Now I have the oven on broil, and I'm going to put it on for just a few minutes. And it's hard to tell because you have to watch it. You don't want it to burn. So just when it comes a little crusty, you stop it and then you turn it over. The bread is done, and you can see just a light crust around the edges, and even the bottom is the same. So now I'm going to taste it. Crunchy, buttery, and garlicky. But the garlic is not strong because it's cooked a little bit, and you won't have a bad garlic bread after. So try it and make it for your family. I hope you like this video, and if so, don't forget to smash that like button. And mahalo for watching, and see you on the next video.